Hello, my friend. I am Jen from Spirals of Wellbeing, sharing my top secret smoothie recipe with you. Please don't tell anyone. This is just between us, okay? I'm going to share with you what's in it. It's packed with power and nutrition, and it'll hold you for a couple of hours. So this is the only way I know how to get live food in me first thing in the day, first thing in the morning. The typical Western diet breakfast isn't very alive. And this is, how else are you going to get kale first thing, typically, for example? So this is how I do it, and I'm pretty religious about it, and I've done this for years and years, having a healthy smoothie on pretty much a regular basis. I really recommend your version of that. I'm not here to promote any particular products or anything like that. I'm just sharing what I do that works for me. So I'll tell you what's in here. Hard to see, kind of, but here we go. There's kale. There's a few carrots, there's a banana, there's blueberries, there's plain yogurt, unsweetened. I like whole milk because I want that healthy fat to hold me. I'm going to be on the road today. There's ginger root, like about that much ginger root. There is a half a lemon in here. There is turmeric and there is cinnamon. I put nutritional yeast flakes in. That's a form of B12. That is, if you don't have a lot of red meat in your diet, this is a way to get B12 naturally and very easily. I just put a splash of that in there. Cider vinegar is a tonic for digestion. That's really good for you as well. And I sprouted chia seeds and almonds. You buy them raw and you put them on the countertop for 8 hours at room temperature. In water. So I put about that much in. I've used this a few days now, but this will last me 3 days as it's full. And when it's sprouted, it comes from a dormant state to an active state. It's a live, easily digestible form of protein, fat, and carbohydrate. I buy bulk vitamin C powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of this is a macro dose of vitamin C. And it's good for your immune system, and it's also good if you struggle with constipation at all. It will help with that and doesn't have the side effects that over-the-counter medicines do for constipation. That keeps your gut active and alive, not shutting anything down. Coconut milk is what I like to put on top of it to get it to the right consistency. And this is my favorite protein powder. It's plant-based, it's organic, and I'm crazy about chocolate, so it's based in chocolate as a flavor, and there's hardly any sweetener in it, 22 grams of protein. So I've got this packed with healthy protein, fat, and carbs. Sometimes I put an avocado in there too. I'm saving that for later, so I didn't put it in here this time. So that's it. You give that a whirl, and you've got a freaking 3 pounds of power right here, and that'll hold you for a while, holds me for a while. And I highly recommend updating your nutrition however you do. It's a big part of healing and wellness is what you eat and how you eat it. So have at it, have some fun with it. You can feel good, you can feel better. We all can feel our best, and whatever we can do to do that, I think it's multifaceted. So what you eat matters. So thank you and enjoy.